The Southern Health Trust says it got special permission from Stormont to offer a much higher than normal salary to attract senior staff to Daisy Hill Hospital in Newry, but it failed to get new recruits. Last night, more than 800 people attended a meeting to protest at a plan to limit opening hours at the hospital's emergency department. Francis Gorman has more.
A city centre hotel in Newry. The high turnout is a measure of the strength of opposition to the possibility of losing the overnight A&E service. One of those who has lobbied for facilities at the hospital is Shauna Grant. She claims that services are being run down.
We've lost beds in male and female surgical, male medical, coronary care, and also maternity beds in an area with a massively high birth rate. All of which has resulted in consultants being asked to stand over an emergency department that doesn't have the capabilities to deal with what they've been asked to deal with, and as such they're not prepared to work there anymore. They see the writings on the wall and they're not prepared to take a long-term post in a hospital that they can see is being continually downgraded.
The Trust says there's no shortage of money and that they have searched home and abroad to get the senior staff they need in Newry.
Before the Assembly stood down, we got special permission to offer the job here at a very high rate, far in excess of any other post that I'm aware of in Northern Ireland in medicine, and despite that we've been unable to attract people to the job.
The Trust says more A&E doctors are now being trained, but that process can take 5 years, so the benefits will not be in the short term. The fear among some is that the same will happen to Daisy Hill as happened in Belfast City Hospital A&E several years ago. It too could not safely staff its emergency department, which eventually led to its closure.
What's going to happen then? They're going to have to go all the way out to Craigavon. It's ridiculous.
It shouldn't be closing in Daisy Hill because of the catchment area that Daisy Hill serves. It serves as far as Kilkeel and as far as Crossmaglen on the other side.
The Trust says it's doing its best to keep the department open. The alternative is to travel to Craigavon for life-saving treatment. Francis Gorman, BBC Newsline, Newry.